Hello, 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 hello. We are live. We are live. We are live. Yeah. So we are live now, and let me see my stream how it's going. We are live in a CS session, and I have just lost my 3K instant account because of foolish trading. I will be live for only 1 hour today. I need to attend a workshop in my college, so just let me remind this on my. Okay, so we are live now. I hope you can listen to my voice properly. And we need only $7 in this futures account to get to pass the evaluation of the day. I mean to pass my 50K futures account on Blue Guardians futures. So let's mark the end opening and closing price of the day for the proper trading session. Here the we closed on the yesterday. That would be end of low Tuesday March 31st 2026. Okay, so we needed 14 pixels. Mark the high and high. Okay, so we are all set now. We can expect a fallback on this, or we can expect an expansion higher. Let's see what we get. We have low, we have high, we have lower low, we have higher high. So market might go up, but we will only know after some time. I hope this is the inversion fair value gap. But here we have a breaker as well against our position, so we are confused on if whether to take the trade higher or not. Let's look at US 100. What kind of markings do we have here? We have an VOG. There is nothing above the sky. Let's look at MNQ. I think we do have a yes first presented fair value gap above which can attract the prices towards itself. We have an inversion fair value gap. Aish. Here we have an inversion fair value gap. We don't have a change in state of delivery here. Let's look at gold if we can get us any setups to just make $7 for the day and get out. Well, we are in a support zone. We just swiped out this liquidity. Nah, this liquidity was not swiped. Only this liquidity was swiped. Okay, so we are moving down back to the. This is the volume imbalance we were trading in. Where is the marking here? Well, the marking is on gold. Well, we are moving back to the today's new day opening price, and the market might go lower today as well. So let's see. We already have liquidity swipe of this high, but this high has created another liquidity. So we need to wait, and I'm here for only 1 hour today. Just 1 hour, nothing more than that. I will have to attend. I have to go somewhere very important. So let's me connect my in what I say. Let's not trade the CFD account on this morning. I will trade it on the New York session, and we will not be trading the London session today. I hope you don't mind it. There won't be any London session trade today. Let's look at a menu queue if we can get any trade. Yep, we are going to get a trade very soon, and I think it will be in the bullish direction. Maybe we can expect another bullish candle. So much sound is coming from my background, and sorry for that. Let me close the doors. Wait for 5 minutes, please. I'm in just 1 minute. So we are back again, and I think the market has given a change in state of delivery to the upside. So the market will go up from here, as is my speculation is. Hi. Let's look at crude oil and see if we can get any trade here. Yes, we can get a short position here. So let's get a short position in crude oil. By the way, we need only just $7 to pass the account. So it's not going to some that's going to be something that I'm very not cool about. We have this breaker short, and we have this liquidity. So we are going to short from here. Let's see what will be our risk to reward ratio if we short from here. Stop loss will be all the way up, that is $30, and TP will be all the way down here to this liquidity $52. Just sell it. If we get this trade done, then we are done with for the day. I mean done for the session, and there won't be any trade in the London session. I'm in hurry, that's why I'm forcing a trade on myself. I hope it doesn't cause any kind of what I say. We have swiped out this liquidity now. This was the volume imbalance, and I think the market will go above this high. If the market gives a body closer above this high, then I will take this trade on the CFD account as well. So let's have a alert here. And let's come back to our oil trade. It is 1 is to 1.7 trade, and I think that's not a bad trade if you are in good risk management. MGC is it's also going up. Let's look at XAUSD. The XAUSD has some downward momentum, so the gold can really push up higher. So if we don't get this trade, we will trade in the gold. Market left this volume imbalance, then it came back into this volume imbalance. Market also cleared the Asia high, London high of the previous, like 27th of March. That is a Friday, or the day before that. We will be here till 9 a.m. What is this? Stop loss modified. Oh, so we have entered into the trade. Okay, so now let's see how this trade goes. Why is the stop loss modified, by the way? I have put my stop here. We need just $7, but we are going for more than that. We have already passed our account with $14 in profit, $16 in profit, and I think I will just close the trade once this trade has been done. Market will come all the way down to this low, that is for sure. But I'm targeting this liquidity here. See this relatively equal lows. This is my target. We are in the macro time frame, so we can expect some kind of impulsive moves. And there is another possibility that market can also come back to this high and take my stop loss. We have just 5 more minutes till the candle closer. Yep, the breaker has been touched again. Market might get back to this inversion fair value gap. Let's look at gold. How is it going? The gold is pushing down more. Let's come back to MGC, pushing more lower. We touched the inversion fair value gap. Did we do? No, we did not touch the inversion fair value gap. It was just the breaker type again. Let's look at 5 minutes candle. The 5 minutes candle is giving a wick. Okay, so we are good with our TP and SL. It's almost for 57 10:57. That 3 minutes more is required to close this hourly candle, and we are getting some accumulation type of price action here. The market is accumulating orders right now, and we can do is just wait. We need is $7 to pass the account. So if the trade goes to like, and I have risked like $31 to get $51, that is not so big. I can take the risk or clear the even the stop loss in the next session, but I didn't want to really take a big risk, so I did not take it. We will see yours very soon end this 5 minutes candle, and then we can expect lower prices. So market touch the inversion fair value gap again. This is the lowest fruit hanging fruit objective according to me, or this one was which has been cleared. Or if we get stopped out, there is no worries at all because my overall stop loss is just $31. Here it is the account summary. We are in minus $21 right now. In just 2 minutes, our trade will close. I think last minute of the macro hour, this hourly candle, and 10 more minutes to the hour macro minutes. If I had wanted, I could have closed this trade here, and I would have been it would have been a win trade, and I would have passed the account. But I have placed a risk to reward ratio trade, and the trade must be there. So we are closing the hourly candle. This is the new hour candle now. The hourly candle has been closed. We are still respecting this inversion fair value gap, and that is a good sign for us. Let's remove this breaker, and let's see how the trade will go. I thought it will take the stop loss. I really thought it will take the stop loss, but we are in a very close fight. Just 1.1 is to 1 is to 1.7 1.7 risk to reward ratio trade. We can cover this up in the one short gold or one long gold trade, or even the MNQ. How did it go? Okay, so it was a good trade. So let's take a long here with this inversion fair value gap. Should we take a long with this inversion fair value gap? I'm already in a short position, so I don't want to take a long. Just one big of win of $10 can pass me my account. And here the inversion fair value gap is still being respected, and that is all that I wanted to see. So we are on the last 8 minutes of this macro time frame. We have cleared this buy side again, and I think I took a hurried entry. The entry should have been here like this. It should have been like that. This trade should have been like this, the, but I could have closed this here, and I could have been done for the day. Let's go for MNQ. It hasn't touched the inversion fair value gap yet, but it is rejecting from the breaker. You see the equity is 993. That is only $7 is required to pass the account. Just $7, but I will go for more than that. Just few more ticks, and we will have our trade closed and our stream as well. We need about 50 ticks, 53 ticks to close this trade. Let's go and change the money to position to ticks. We need so we have passed the account already. You can see we are up above the 53,000 level, but we will hold this trade till our uh, TP is hit, so we don't just like become something we don't want to be in our psychological warfare in the trading. So we hold this trade till our TP is hit fully. 6 more minutes to this macro time frame. Just patience and believe in your model. Whenever you feel bored, just have patience and believe in your model. It will surely deliver. Let's look at gold and see what it is doing. The gold is still uh, accumulating orders here, and there is no true trade at all. I will remove this marking. We don't need this anymore. Just delete this. We are back at our oil trade. Let's change it back to money. Fix to money. We are up $20. We need $20 more to close this trade. 20, 20, or $37 more. I'm just being resilient because I've already passed the account, and but still I'm not closing the trade because I want to take the TP or the stop loss. I want to be resilient. It's not like I'm going, if I take the trade off just right now, I will become an impulsive. This impulsiveness will come out and then some other trade. But if hold the trade, stay disciplined, then I will take the whole profit also, and I will also pass the account and also have the discipline inside of me. So account is passed, and I will just close the trade now and the stream as well. So thank you for joining, and bye bye. Have a nice day. This was the smallest stream of my career till now. So be safe, enjoy the day, and stay safe. Bye bye.